So we're distributing the negative one. So you would have 75x minus 500 minus 50x.
Okay. So now what do we do?
Oh, we set that equal to 0.
Well, what can we do before we do that?
We can subtract 50x from 75x. And
Okay.
left with 25x minus 500.
Okay. We set it equal to, what'd you say?
0.
0. Okay.
And then you solve for x, so you would add 500 to both sides.
Okay.
And then you would put 20.
20?
Yeah.
So this is telling us that when we sell 20 coolers, we're going to be making a profit.
Right.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're going to do one more. So basically, your cooler company, you realize that coolers are only popular in college, right?
Yeah.
Because nobody really goes and uses coolers other than going to the beach, right? When they're older. So you want to go into making TVs, okay?
Yeah.
So let's read this over, and I want you to work this out for me. Tell me how I do this.
To start your business, it costs you $1,000 plus $250 per TV made. What is your fixed cost? What is your marginal cost? And what is the cost function? Okay, your fixed cost would be the $1,000.
Okay.
So if we were making the cost function, it would be C of x equals 1,000.
So what was the marginal again?
Your marginal cost was the 250x.
Okay.
So your cost function would be 1,000 plus 250x.
Okay.
And then you decide to charge $450 per television. What is your revenue function? So it'd be R of x equals 450x.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you to find the break-even point.
Okay, for your break-even point, you would set C of x equal to R of x.
Okay, so that would be 1,000 plus 250x equals 450x, right? That's what you just told me to do?
Right.
Okay, and now what?
It would solve for x.
Okay.
So I would subtract 250 from both sides.
Okay.
And then you're left with 1,000 equals 200x.
Mm-hmm.
And then x equals 50.
50?
500. Wait, hold on. Yeah, 500.
I think you're right with the 50, right?
Yeah.
So 5 times 2 is 10, right?
Add a 0, yeah.
And then add,
It's 50.
make sense?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Actually, I think it's 5. So,
Yeah, it's 5.
it is 5? So, if we did 50, it would be 10. And
No,
then
because if you did,
if we did 50, then we would add 3 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3. So that would be 10,000.
yeah.
So if we did just 5, then we do 5 times 2 is 10, and then just add these 2 zeros, right? And that would be, it would just be 5, right? Okay.
It's way off. Only
Oh, that's
500.
okay. That's okay. You'll have a calculator on the test, right?
Yeah.
So you'll be good. So x equals 5. All right, and tell me what this is showing me.
We just did a break-even point, right?
Okay. And
So
what does that tell us?
It's telling me when you sell 5 televisions, that's when your cost function equals your revenue function. So you're making just as much as you're putting in.
Good. All right, and now I'm going to ask you to find at what point we're going to make a profit. So what do we do then?
I think the profit, if I'm not mistaken, the profit function. I think you did that last time wrong.
Okay.
Oh no, that was right. Why do I keep thinking about that other one? I know. But P of x is when R of x subtract C of x. So if your R of x is 450 x minus 1,000 plus 250x. And then you can go ahead and subtract 250. Well, you distribute a -1, so you'll have 450x minus 1,000 minus 250x. And then you can go ahead and subtract 250 from 450. And you're left with 200x minus 1,000. And then
What does this equal again?
to 0.
You ever said it equal to 0?
Yeah. And then
So we're gonna do what?
add 1,000 to both sides. So you have 1,000 equals 200x and x equals 5. So you're making a profit when you sell 5 televisions.
Perfect. Good job.